Think NASA's only achievement is sending astronauts to the moon? Think again. What if we told you that the shoes on your feet, the mattress you sleep on, and even the sunglasses you wear have a cosmic connection? That's right, NASA isn't just exploring galaxies, it's quietly transforming life here on Earth. Today, we're counting down 5+1 out-of-this-world inventions from NASA that have rocketed their way into your everyday routine. Velcro. While Velcro wasn't born in a NASA lab, it was space that made it a superstar. During the 1960s space race, NASA engineers needed a way to keep tools and gear from floating away in zero gravity. Their solution? Velcro, reliable, reusable, and easy to use with bulky gloves on. From securing checklists on astronaut sleeves to keeping food packets in place on the walls of the Apollo missions, Velcro became an indispensable part of space travel. Even modern missions still rely on it. Back on Earth, Velcro has found its way into every corner of our lives. Children's shoes, blood pressure cuffs, cable organizers, and even military gear. Its ease of use and reliability have made it a go-to fastening solution across industries. Fun fact, Velcro's origins are as natural as they are brilliant. In 1941, Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral took a hike with his dog and noticed tiny burrs clinging stubbornly to its fur. Curious, he studied them under a microscope and discovered their secret: hundreds of tiny hooks. That tiny annoyance turned into a billion-dollar idea: hook and loop fasteners that mimic nature's clingy genius. The name Velcro itself is a mashup of velvet and crochet, the French word for hook. Memory foam. From liftoff to lights out, space travel is punishing. The extreme forces during launch and re-entry require materials that can absorb impact without compromising comfort or safety. In the 1970s, NASA's Ames Research Center developed a special kind of foam to do just that. Originally known as temper foam, this viscoelastic material was designed to mold to an astronaut's body, evenly distributing weight and absorbing shock. It reduced pressure points and helped minimize injury risk in case of high-impact landings. Today, that same technology ensures a peaceful night's sleep. Memory foam mattresses, pillows, and even shoes use this NASA-born innovation to deliver personalized comfort and support. But it's not just about sleep. Hospitals use memory foam for pressure relief cushions to prevent bed sores in long-term patients. Athletes rely on it for joint protection. Even crash helmets are lined with it to absorb high-speed impact. From rocket seats to restful sleep, memory foam's journey reflects the quiet power of space technology to reshape comfort on Earth. Born in the stars and now under your spine, memory foam is another reminder that sometimes the technologies of space are most appreciated here on the ground. Cordless tools. Powering up without limits. In space, every tool has to be smart, efficient, and above all, cordless. There are no extension cords on the moon. In the 1960s, NASA partnered with Black & Decker to solve a complex problem. How do you drill into rock on the moon's surface in the vacuum of space? The result was a new kind of tool, compact, battery-operated, and capable of operating in low gravity. The cordless lunar drill was used during the Apollo missions to collect core samples beneath the moon's surface, but its impact didn't stop at liftoff. Back on Earth, this space-age innovation revolutionized home improvement. Today's cordless drills, vacuum cleaners, screwdrivers, even electric toothbrushes all trace their lineage to that lunar engineering breakthrough. The collaboration with NASA also pushed advances in rechargeable battery technology and efficient motors, technologies now embedded in everything from power tools to medical devices. Water purification systems. In space, every drop of water matters. There are no rivers out there. To solve this, NASA engineers built a smart water recycling system that turns sweat, breath, and even urine into clean, drinkable water. This system uses filters, chemicals, and advanced treatments to make water so pure it's often cleaner than what we drink on Earth. And it's not just for space. NASA's technology now helps people in disaster zones, refugee camps, and remote areas get safe water too. Infrared ear thermometers. From distant stars to fevers at home. In space, heat reveals hidden stories. NASA's early infrared sensors were built to detect tiny temperature changes in distant stars and planets. In the 1990s, that same technology found a new purpose on Earth, measuring body temperature. This led to the creation of the infrared ear thermometer, using a sensor inspired by space tech to quickly and accurately read heat from the eardrum. Fast, gentle, and reliable, it changed how we check for fevers, especially helpful for kids and babies. The fun fact: the original model, the Diatech 7000, weighed just 8 ounces and delivered a reading in under 2 seconds. The same technology used to read the heat signature of galaxies now read fevers in toddlers. Air purifier. Air purification systems. Breathing easier thanks to space. To keep the air safe in space, NASA created advanced purifiers that removed harmful gases, lowered CO2, and supported plant growth. Now, that same tech is used on Earth in homes, offices, and hospitals. It helps clean the air by removing dust, allergens, and even germs, making indoor spaces healthier for everyone. Here is the fun fact: NASA's air purification technology is so effective, it's now used in grocery stores to keep produce fresh longer, and in hospitals to maintain sterile environments. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing discoveries. Stay curious and keep exploring the world around you.